Hi friends, so today we are going to make paper flowers. And the reason we're going to make paper flowers is because we want to be able to demonstrate how the stem sucks up water and nutrients from the plant. So you can see this one I made, we put it into some water with some food dye, and it has started to suck the water up the stem towards the top of the plant. So let me show you how to make this. The supplies that you'll need are 2 sheets of tissue paper, and I cut each sheet into 4 squares. So then you end up with 8 squares. Also need Scotch tape, water, and food dye. Let me show you the first step. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make the stem. So you want to lay 4 pieces of your tissue paper together and start to roll them at an angle all the way across. Like so. Then you're going to take a small piece of your tape and secure them back to the beginning, or to themselves onto the stem. Needed 2. Next, to make the flower portion, you're going to take 4 pieces, 4 squares, and we are going to accordion fold these, or fold them back and forth. So you start one direction and then fold it back on itself and continue this all the way down the tissue paper. It's almost like making a fan. So the next step is to take our stem and attach it to our flower. And you can do this by simply placing it on top and folding it over towards the center and using a piece of tape to secure it back to the stem, like so. Then, where we have our 4 pieces folded here, we can slowly start to pull these apart. Be careful, it rips very easily. If it does rip, that's okay. It gives it a little more character. Just pull them apart. Like so. If you happen to have the food dye and the water, you can put it into your vase and then just simply place your stem in, and it will slowly start to suck up the stem, and you'll be able to see how the stem transfers the water and the nutrients to our plant. The reason I chose to do this in white was because I wanted to be able to see the water and the nutrients move through the plant, but you could use colorful tissue paper to make the top. So you can see in this flower, we've let it sit for a day, that it has moved completely up the stem, and it's starting to slowly get into our petals of our flower here. It's important to understand that all parts of the plant work together. So the leaves are important to help start the process of photosynthesis, and the stems kind of act like an artery, like in your heart, like a vein, to help move the nutrients up and down the plant to where it's needed to keep your plant healthy. If you get to do this activity, have your parents take a picture and tag us on Facebook or Instagram.